Hello, future scientists! In this lesson, we will learn about the two key food groups. One is the carbohydrates group, which composed of bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes, and the dairy food groups, where yogurt, milk, and cheese belong. These food groups, we will know about the need for a healthy diet, including the right types of food and water, and to know about the favorite food and group them into healthy and unhealthy. And at the end of the lesson, you can talk about why we need a healthy diet and what foods to eat to stay healthy. We will also explain and understand the meaning of the scientific words balanced meal, dairy, nutrients, healthy. As a starter activity, this is a random wall. You will spin the wheel to see which item comes up next. Then you identify which group, which food group does the food shows belong to. In your learner's book, page 63, bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes belong to another food group, and that is the carbohydrates. These foods help us to move around and play. They are an energy source that allows us to do everything things as well as playing sport or running. Fiber from carbohydrates such as potato skins is important for bowel movement and reducing constipation. They also help us to feel full and therefore less likely to eat more. Now let's talk about bread. You can see here bread, simple but essential for everyone. The whole grains can boost overall health and help reduce the risk of obesity and various other complications and diseases. So that's how bread is essential to everyone. You can see here different kinds of breads. We have the white bread, wheat bread, grain bread, rye bread, bagel, and a lot more. I know all of you. Which of these do you love to eat? Especially, for your breakfast and snacks. I think you like this croissant or the burger bun or the hot dog bun. How about this rustic golden hue traditional Emirati bread that is eaten for breakfast? I've tasted this already. It's very delicious, good, partner for the coffee. And I partner it with apricot jam. So this is the kabuz al-kamir. Rice is composed of carbohydrates, which makes up almost 80% of its total dry weight. Most of the carbohydrate in rice is starch. There are several species of grain called rice, but let's talk only these most commonly used types of rice. This black rice is rich in antioxidants, good source of several nutrients. Actually, they call it forbidden rice from Japan. Now, white rice is commonly used, rich in folate, low fiber content, which help the digestive issues. Now, the brown rice, the fiber in brown rice helps lower cholesterol. And red rice, it's packed with flavonoid antioxidants. And this is basmati rice, has the least amount of arsenic and the most vitamins and minerals. And this is mostly used here in UAE. Did you know that it is estimated that there are approximately 350 different types of pasta and about 4 times that many names for them? Pasta is made from unleavened dough of wheat flour mixed with water or eggs and formed into sheets or other shapes, then cooked by boiling or baking. Here are some types of pasta which for sure you've tasted and eaten this already. Spaghetti, ravioli, linguine, lasagna, rigatoni, penne, and a lot more. Potatoes, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can improve blood sugar control, reduce heart disease risk, and higher immunity. Watch this video, this is the link, why starchy foods such as potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and cereals should make up just over a third of the food you eat, as shown by the Eat Well guide, where you can choose whole grain varieties and eat potatoes with their skin on for more fiber. Now that you learned about the importance of each food, Do you think it would be good to eat only pasta? And why? Another food group is the dairy product. Dairy products are important for building healthy bones and for maintaining a healthy weight. They are also healthy for your teeth and gums by reducing your risk for gum disease. Dairy foods are made from milk. Milk comes from animals such as cows, sheep, and goats. Dairy foods help your bones, as I've mentioned, and teeth to grow strong. Look at these dairy foods. You have here milk, yogurt, and different cheeses. Why yogurt is healthy? It is made by fermenting milk with yogurt culture. It provides protein and calcium, and it may enhance healthy gut bacteria. We all love milk. We know it's packed with important nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and more vitamins. Plus, it's an excellent source of protein. Drinking milk every day from an early age, especially now you're a school child, benefits good eyesight and increases red blood cell count, supplies proteins for body repair and growth, and provides magnesium for muscles. Okay, so when you play, when you run, when you have these physical activities, it will help you because it is calcium for bones and teeth. Here are some types of milk. You have here rice milk, almond milk, goat milk, soy milk, cow milk, hemp milk. So which of these do you drink every day? Or have you tried drinking all of this type of milk? Cheese is also a dairy product made from the milk of 100% grass-fed animals. A great source of calcium, fat, protein, and contains high amounts of vitamins. Is cheese good for you? Yes, because it is a great source of calcium, fat, and protein. And eating cheese every day may help to protect your heart. By some estimates, there are more than 1,800 different types of cheese in the world. And there are almost as many ways of classifying them, but let's only talk about some types of cheese. And these are the hard cheese, include Parmesan, Pecorino, this is semi-hard cheese. I know that your all-time favorite like cheddar, Gouda, okay, it's a semi-hard cheese. The blue mold cheese, the white mold cheese, and this is the fresh cheese. Okay, cream cheese, feta, mozzarella, and burrata, seduced with softness and mild flavors. And goat cheese. Now, do you eat dairy foods? Do you eat them with other foods? And what other foods? See this yogurt? It is topped with different fruit bits. Which dairy foods do you like best? Watch this video to understand how many portions of dairy and alternatives you need to eat in your daily plate. And we'll complete this in your workbook, page 39, food groups. Draw some foods on these plates and then choose your favorite food from each plate. Okay, thank you for listening.